In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a thumbnail to a YouTube video from your mobile device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then tap at that plus sign and select upload a video. Then just choose your video and hit add next. After that, on that step, we can easily add a thumbnail for that video. To do that, just tap at that button. That will open up your camera roll, and from here we can choose any photo. Then we can crop it in this way, and that will add a thumbnail for your video. After that, you can create title and description. Then to upload your video, don't forget to hit add upload. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.